take this panel off, use a trim tool, just get underneath these clips, just pry these out. And grab the panel, you just slide it up and slide it out. Now grab the hose. You can twist it back and forth a little bit, see if it releases, or use a pick. Just go around as you slide it off. If anything broken was in there, you want to remove that. Take some needle nose pliers, and there's 2 clips right here. Just push down on those, and then you can grab the spray nozzle from the top side and pull it through. Take the new one and slide it through, lock it down, and take the hose, line it up, and just push it all the way down. You can do the same for the other one. Now I take this panel and slide it behind, line it up down here, some tabs. Looks good. And push the push pins back in place.